that you have a choice. And that choice, going back to what you always say about intention, that choice always has to be guided with the highest intention. What is your highest intention? Because kung may highest intention ako, right now, you know, pagka meron kang konting balakid or block, ang daling mag-give up kung hindi mo alam kung ano yung highest intention mo eh. Ano yan eh, parang napulikat ka, ay ayoko na lumakad kasi hindi ko naman lang para saan yung paglalakad na ginagawa ko eh. Napilo ka konti, may konting stab ang toe mo, aray, pahinga na lang ako. Bakit? Hindi mo alam kung ano yung highest intention mo. Pero, kung alam mo kung ano yung highest intention mo, kahit putulang ka ng legs, ito yung favorite ko na sinasabi lately, cut my legs, I will crawl.
Yes.
Because you know your highest intention and your purpose.